Most of the time when I'm on my phone, I'm always doing research for the next recipe because, yeah, we have a lot of recipes in this channel. So I came across a very simple hack where you use a grater to cut out your accordion potatoes. And with a little bit of twist that is adding in a few spices, my accordion potatoes have turned out awesome. Keep watching and let's make these potatoes. Simple recipes such as this always excite me because you need around 5 ingredients. So we are going to get straight in the hack where you'll need a box grater or a flat grater just like this. So yeah, to make it very easy for you to make these accordion potatoes, you're going to soak your skewers in cold water for around 15 minutes, and I've already done that. So next, you're going to peel around 4 to 5 medium potatoes, and because I'm going to be using my flat grater, you're going to pick your skewer. You're going to move your skewer around as you insert in the potato, just like this. You can see how easy it is to insert the skewer. Pick your grater, and this is where it gets super exciting to make the accordion potatoes. You're going to apply slight pressure on the potato as you move it around, just like this. This is where it gets a little bit tricky, so you're going to move the potato until you're done, just like that. Then you're going to spread the potato just like this. Yes, super exciting. I'm super excited for the recipe. Done with the first potato, so I'm going to repeat until I'm done with the rest. You're just going to use slight pressure while you move the skewer around or the potato. And once you notice the tippy end, you're going to use your grater once more and make the accordion pattern on the potato. Once done, you're going to remove your grater and spread the potato on your skewer just like this, and it's going to be super easy. Well, it's been around 15 minutes making my accordion potatoes, and yeah, it's been quite a task. So the next step is going to be placing a pan over medium flame, and this is how the potatoes are looking. They're so gorgeous, I can say. It's been around 30 seconds and my cooking oil is getting ready, so I'm going to use a skewer to check if the temperature is perfect. I'm going to drop in my skewer. Once I notice small bubbling, the oil is ready to fry my accordion potatoes. So I'm super excited to see how they turn out. So carefully, I'm going to lift up my potato and drop into the cooking oil, and I'm going to be frying up in batches. Make sure the oil is enough to submerge the potatoes, and after placing in, you're going to wait for around 30 seconds to a minute so that the potatoes can cook through. I'm going to use my skewer and carefully flip the accordion potatoes so that they can fry on the other side for around 30 seconds to a minute, or until you notice a nice golden brown color on the potatoes. Once you notice that golden brown color, you're going to shake off the excess oil, transfer to your plate lined with kitchen paper towel. Then you're going to add in the next round carefully into the cooking oil. After around a minute, I'm going to use my skewer because the potatoes are very delicate and flip. You can try to use your skimmer, but try as much as possible not to break the potatoes. Transfer the next one. And as the potatoes are cooling, they're going to crispen up a little bit, but I want them super crispy. So I'm going to bring the flames to high, wait for around 10-20 seconds so that the oil can get hot. Then carefully, I'm going to drop in the potatoes so that they can crispen up and get a gorgeous golden brown color. Avoid overcrowding also. And immediately you place in the potatoes, you'll notice that they are getting a nice color and crispening up. They look absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to transfer to my plates and add in my second round. Fry for around 10-20 seconds at most. Immediately, I'm going to sprinkle in some salt on the potatoes. Add in some paprika and garlic powder. Just look at that. I'm going to flip the other side. My accordion potatoes are ready and they're looking so awesome. But while cutting out the accordion potatoes using my grater, it took a little bit more time to cut out the potatoes. So I might ask myself, was it truly worth it? And the answer is definitely no, because it has taken me 15 minutes to cut 5 potatoes into this accordion shape. So if you're making a large batch for your family, how long will it take for you to cut out the accordion potatoes? It will be too long. And definitely you have no time. To conclude, it's going to be a simple recipe to make for one because you need around 5 to 8 potatoes at most. So I think using a knife to cut out the accordion potatoes is the perfect way to go.